Hi guys and welcome back. I have lived in this LA apartment for almost 2 years and today I'm gonna take you through the whole apartment and let you know what things I like the most and what things are not so perfect. So let's get into it. And first rule, no shoes at home. I used to take off my sneakers before I go to my living room.
And do not try to sneak in shoes.
So, I live in central LA. It's 1,200 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, washer and dryer in unit. So let's do the living room and the kitchen. My living area is definitely when I spend most of my time. I work from home as a content maker, so here is my working space and I love this table. It's industrial style and I spent $215 on it. So here is my mini studio. I edit all my videos by myself and here is my favorite microphone. Da-da-da-dum! Hi guys! And I bought some retro cup coasters like them. So this is my entire living room and this cozy sofa from Amazon. By the way guys, today I will share some links in the description and if you like some stuff from my apartment, you can add it to your wish list. I like the idea of an open concept space, so you can be at the same time at the kitchen and at the living room, or sometimes take it up. So I pay $36.15 and my rent doesn't include parking and garbage fees. Yes, it's super common situation in Los Angeles to pay for everything like an extra. So my actual rent is about $3,800, I would say. So we have a swimming pool right here and a gym right there, but if you'd like to have a barbecue, you should buy your own and place it at your balcony. And here is our gym. I like to spend a lot of time right here. You know what? It's pretty convenient if you have a gym in your apartment complex because it saves so much time and you always be motivated to stay fit. Here is our parking lot. Pretty huge, I would say. So, as I mentioned, I pay extra $50 per month for one parking slot. If you have one bedroom apartment in some apartment complex in LA, you can have one parking space for free, but here I have to pay an extra. And the good thing is, recently they updated some parking spots, so you can park your car right here and be sure that your car will be charged. And one more good thing in my apartment complex, so we have a guest parking and it's totally for free. And you know guys, I'm super happy not to have a popcorn ceiling in that apartment. And by the way, here is my media console for an evening Netflix and my favorite industrial style lamp. I bought it in IKEA. Not bad. One of the reasons why I decided to get this apartment was that bar table and that window in the kitchen. This is supposed to be my coffee corner, but I have a rice cooker as well. I like to cook brown rice, white rice there, and the meat. Here is my Ninja blender and that coffee maker. Actually, it's pretty cheap and I like that way to make a coffee. And yes, I'm a coffeeholic. I have some mint tea, more mint tea, and matcha as well in that cabinet. But be honest, I don't like doors with no handles because it's not super convenient to use it every day. Like you try to open it and have to find the right side, left or right. In my humble opinion, that should be renovated in that price. And the management told me if I'd like to see my apartment renovated, I should pay $200 more. All appliances in that apartment were brand new when I moved in, and this large refrigerator keeps all my secrets, especially before bedtime. I like to have a snack. And here you go, immunity shots, boost shots, mushroom shots, pretty fancy in LA. So I have a lot of fruits, vegetables, some protein, and I cook a lot at home. As you can see, I like neutral colors, white, off-white, gray, beige, so you can see them all around my apartment. And I like minimalism, so lots of vases and small shelves is not my type, but I'm obsessed with the flowers and plants. Here we go, washer and dryer. I'm totally happy to have them in unit because in my previous apartment I used to carry back with the laundry 3-4 times a month, so you know guys. So now I'm totally happy to have that brand new appliances at home. Why I choose central LA instead of glamorous downtown? The first reason is quiet neighborhood, less homeless people, more cafes, and it's pretty close to the studios. The second reason, schools. If you have a kid, it's so much complicated to live in downtown. And here we have 9 out of 10 rate school and great park nearby, where you can do your morning run or play with kids. So the bad thing in my apartment is about bathroom door and a room door clash. So you should open it carefully or decide which one is more important. Here we are in my bathroom. In that apartment I have 2 bathrooms, so tiny one, this one, and the other one is like a master bedroom. The whole idea was to keep them in two different colors. So this one's supposed to be like a light pink and the other one's supposed to be light blue. And here is my medicine cabinet full of creams and everyday products. And here is a master bathroom, and I like these Hollywood style lamps. They are super cute. I have a pretty huge balcony, but I'm still in progress furnish it. Maybe I will show it to you guys later. Everybody wants to live in an apartment like in a downtown. Skyscraper, all walls made of glass. Fancy, yes. Stunning view, yes. But the truth is, there are not too many who actually live in skyscrapers. Why? Because of hate, and I totally understand this issue. At some skyscrapers, you cannot even open a window and have a pretty cozy common areas like that. That's why I'm not living in skyscraper and I'm living in apartment complex like that. When I was moving, I really wished that my bedroom is supposed to be only for relaxing and sleeping. That's why I don't have any TV here. And guys, here is my closet. It's super cozy but tiny, and if you'd like to grab your bag, you have to close the door and do it. And it was my idea to buy some hooks on Amazon and to carry all the bags in that way. And my IKEA bed is also pretty great find. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos. Bye guys.